LYF Water 10, and let me show you how to enable here developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon. Here find and select settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose about phone. Here you need to scroll down again and let's tap a couple of times on build number, and as you can see you are now a developer. So here you can go back and you can choose here developer options under printing, and as you can see here you can use the following developer stuff. For example, you can enable OEM Unlocking, let's tap enable. You can also enable USB Debugging, let's tap OK to allow USB Debugging, and you can use other developer stuff. For example, enable View Attribute Inspection. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.